Here, you throw it out. Yeah.
Yes.
You open it over there. Put it in the whole thing. Yeah, see here with us.
It's safe.
I want to take the box back with me, though.
Okay. Step on this here.
Don't be a scaredy cat.
No, you put your feet, you see there with your feet over there? You just take steps.
Yeah. Yvonne, we brought you to a nice place.
Even that'll be a pain in the ass. For real. Oh boy, you're a good friend.
It's all yours.
Go ahead,
You're not tilt it right there.
Alright, so the pastor said that's a new day, and that God is faithful, and that we should, maybe not. So,
What else is there?
alright, so now Dad, rest in peace.
You want it? Got that.
You want?
Look at this. Oh, see, look, it's going down very neat. Go down there. Look at that. Very neat. How come you don't do this before? Why do we?
I thought it was done already.
This is how you look at how it goes down. Deep.
It's a beautiful day today.
Take a picture of him.
That's a lot of ashes.
His belly. That's a 350-pounder.
No.
You want to put that for the boys? I mean, do they really care at this point?
I don't know. No. Put it off.
We did. Ask for better day.
Yes.
Ask for better day. I've seen it like this maybe once a year. It's never like this. It's always choppy.
He must have known, so he did that. Because he knows I would be afraid.
So now you got peace. New day, Mama Nancy.
Okay.
You get your new